achieve definition, achieve in a sentence, achieve pronunciation, achieve meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of achieve. Achieve. A-chieve. Achieve. Achieve means to complete a goal or to successfully bring about. Common usages in academic writing: achieve a goal, achieve success, achieve speeds of, a great achievement. Example sentence: achieve verb. An efficiency rating of 97% was achieved by the third prototype. The common academic writing variations are achievement, noun. The Fields Medal Award is the top achievement for any young mathematician. And achievable, adjective. A success rate above 75% was only achievable after the elimination of half of the participants. Please write a sentence using achieve in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use achieve confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.